Today I have some chrome powder from Amazon I got during their Prime Days. Not sure if you can see under this made in PRC that it says Artdone. That's the brand. Oh, I guess it says it right here too. Artdone 16 chrome nail powder. Instructions on how to use. And this is 16 jars. Let's see what we have. This came with 16 individual storage bags. So once you open the chrome powder, you can store it in an individual bag. And 16 makeup brushes and 16 powders. On the camera. Okay. So 8 of these, I think 8, no, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, maybe 13 are regular chrome powders, and 1, 2, 3 are holographic. I thought there was going to be more holographic. I'll have to check that out on the website. But 16 chrome powders, and they all look quite lovely. I'm going to be using one of these today to do some stamping with regular stamping nail polish. And we're going to see how that goes. Isn't that shiny? Very pretty. I'm going to use number 5 for a brocade design on some nails today. One, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Oh, 5. 5 and 6. Okay. That looks kind of like I don't know, maybe a bronze color or brown. Not sure how representative the picture on the top is. I do the swatching later. We'll figure that out. Got it on me already. Note to self. Oh, this is a mess. I bought a black silicone mat. I thought that would be great. Lots of contrast. It shows everything that ever gets on it. It'll be a while before I can replace it. So another kind of gold type shade. The lid screwed on straight. Oh goodness. There we go. 1, 2, 3. That looks kind of like a copper. Pardon my nose. The heat's been running, so it's very dry in here. Maybe a lilac kind of color. This is the one I'll be using for stamping. A very intense gold color. Almost a slight orange cast. At least in the jar. Maybe a bit of a rose or pink color. Okay, and the next bag. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This is definitely much more of a purple shade. They're so shiny. A fuchsia or a raspberry pink. This would have been great with a Barbie design. Orange, my favorite color ever. A Kelly type of green, very bright green, not neon, not forest. A royal blue. gorgeous. I might actually say more of a cobalt. And silver holographic. A gold holographic. Pink holographic. This is going to be like an Aurora shimmer. And maybe a magenta chrome. This one is, there we go. Definitely don't want to spill this everywhere. So those are all very pretty. Let's see. I need to raise the camera up just a bit. Okay, that was the Artdone Chrome Nail Powder from Amazon. Got this on Prime Days, I think, for $7.99. Looking forward to using these.